Hi, hello, welcome to this is your IR Design Expert channel. Today we are discussing about pivoted arm. This is for tutorial for Solidworks. Pivoted arm using to design in Solidworks. First you have to go to select the sketch and take a circle. The circle diameter is we will give a dimension 53. So 53 is a dimension of this one. Okay, and exit for sketch and make a center hole is also. First you have to exit and then extrude. Select extrude command and the distance is extrusion thickness is 100. And before that we are going to draw the datum plane for top surface of the cylinder. The length is 75 mm. Okay, this 75 is we'll draw some extension, some angle the next cylinder is available, so we can the same 75 mm some distance make a center line for the particular distance we can measure using for dimension. Okay, we can try it. We are going to measure this distance around 205. Okay, this one is diameter is 85. The center to center distance 255. Okay, we are going to extrude. Extrude. The distance is the same 115 mm. Okay, going to hide the datum plane. Now we're going to draw the path. This cylinder to this cylinder we can use to connect one path. This path we can draw. Okay, the path you can draw based on the dimension. Okay, radius is 35, 75 and 12 mm this surface radius. Okay, the radius is 75. Draw another one radius. Okay. So both radius are 75 arc. So be connected with tangent. Okay, here is given 75 mm radius. Okay, I'm going to trim the excess line. So to convert to select the edges and then going to trim. Okay, this distance, the center distance is 50. The center of the cylinder is be locating, so we will give a center distance is 50 and exit. Also going to select the datum plane. Okay, this datum plane is using to draw the center rectangular. To select and create a square. Rectangular is 35, 36 and width is 25. Okay. Going to extrude, shift command, and now going to select the path. It cannot be enter the shift path line. That is what not extrude. Okay, now we're going to extend the shift path up to the rectangular. Now it automatically should be swipe. Select the boundary and select the path. Okay, fine, excellent. It should be completed. And round command, both sides. Okay, it should be completed. And then another one hole, we will make another one hole for bigger cylinder. The center distance is 60. The hole diameter is 42.5. The diameter is 12. Should be extrude, make extrude cut, and now going to cut the top surface. Both the cylinders we will make a cut for center hole, diameter of 60, and this diameter is 30. Extrude cut, extrude cut, through all. Then you can extend the arrow mark. As many commands are available: blind, through all, and to extend the arrow mark, automatically it should be extrude cut should be completed. I'm going to revolve around the side edges. For mm for each side. Okay, should be completed. I want to give a color. Thank you for watching our design expert channel. Subscribe our channel.